Hi, GT03235 bringing you another quick video. Hi guys, how you doing? My good wife surprised me earlier on. She signed for my new scope for my new rifle I will be building very soon. So I just thought I'd show you guys. As you can see, it's a monster. And it's got the usual doodads on it. The turrets are raised. You know, you could do that. You could manage them with a gloved hand. It's multi-adjustable. The actual size is 10 times 40 with a 60mm reticle. This is going to get out there a long way. So, like I said, I am going to be building a rifle very soon. I don't know what caliber I'm going to go for yet, but it's going to be a nice one. But if you compare there's a little bit of a difference. This would probably be overkill on this. So there you have it. Stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned for this rifle build. It's going to be a special stock. It's going to be a Black Hawk Knox Axiom stock. I'm not sure what action I'm going to be using yet, whether it's a Howa, a Vanguard, or Remington 700. So keep watching. GT03235, over and out.